eating what you grow, crop what you have. This smells like mint. Oh shit. Stepped on something I wasn't supposed to. Today, we're out for a run. I'm actually gonna try and beat my cousin to the rice field. She's way over there. Oh shit. I have friends. Oh. All along here. I'm not afraid. Oh, jeez. How the road is really. This is nice. This is like my warm up. Oh. Whoa. No. Oh no. Shoot. It's wet. Yeah, I made it before my cousin. Woohoo. Remember this place? There's no one here except me. Actually, my aunt might be here too. my aunt got scared that I ran here. She thought that I ran all the way from the place where I was staying. The dogs. He hasn't seen me in a long time. He hasn't seen me in a long time, so she forgot. Okay, let's go this way. Oh, yes, this is like a good, perfect place to do a workout. There we go. Okay, you guys, I found the perfect place to put you so I could do my workout. Yeah. What a view, you guys. What a view. Man. Also, such a different environment from working out in my little room, quarantine, to this. Oh, I love it here. I love it here. I love it here so much. There's my aunt. Annie head yang Oh, she's preparing to take the morning glory to the market. She said she got some what do you call this? Lotus flower. So pretty. I hope I don't get a tan. Maybe I should take this off. Okay. Intermission is over. Workout part 2. First, I brought my drink, my water. I got my mat right here. The humidity is intense. I'm glad there's no sun today. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to do this. I'm gonna come join the party over here since I'm done my workout. It's good enough for a good like 40 minutes. ใส่ล่ะ ได้ My aunt said to come check to see if there's any fish here. She put like a trap. มองได้ล่ะ ได้บ่ มองได้ I still have a little bit of energy left in me. You know when you work out, well, when I work out, throughout the day I have like so much energy. I'm gonna take this off, you guys, because my aunt says I have to wear boots with no socks. Bye. sweat's getting in my eye and it stinks. Wow, you guys, look at this. Remember when we came with my sister Emma and Nico, planted all the rice right here? Look how beautiful and green it is right now. Oh man, this is such a beautiful sight. Like, perfect weather. When you have rice fields, you can't be afraid to get dirty. Like, look at all this lotus stems. Oh, look at my leg. I told you, you can't be afraid to get dirty or wet. That's how I roll, you guys. That's how I roll. Squeak, squeak. Wet boots squeak. Ooh, we're here, we're here, we're here. Đi ba. Nè hả, men ba, go men. So this right here, you guys, my aunt was saying, because there's such a heavy water flow from the rice field, and so fish flows into here, gets trapped right down there, and you get a whole bunch of fish. Oh, where did she go? Oh, she disappeared. Oh, there. My boots. Whew. My cousin's like way over there. Oh. Oh. So this, you see, you guys, the thing I love about rice field, there's so many edible vegetables. For instance, this, my aunt was saying, this smells like mint. This is used to put in bamboo soup. Yeah, it has a very, very strong scent, like almost like mint. And there's what's it called? Morning glory everywhere, lotus root, escargot, huh? ห้อนแล้ว My aunt's like, why are you sweating so much? I'm like, because I just worked out. And she's all, are you hot? You're so sweaty. I was like, I'm actually quite cool because there's no sun. round 2. Well, I hope you guys are having fun hanging out with me today. Because you guys, this is what I love to do. I love to just go where they go, do what they do. My aunt and uncle, I mean my cousins, because I want to see what it's like, you know, for them here. I mean, I've done it before when I was a kid, but it's just memories to me, you know. So, and I find that there is so much joy. Oh, lemongrass. Menbo. Ani yang ne? Yeah. Oh, I thought it was lemongrass, but she said it's just grass. As I was saying, there is so much joy and beauty in these simple life, simple way of living, simple life, you know, eating what you grow, crop what you have, and, you know, be happy, content, and I don't know what I'm saying, but I think you guys get what I'm saying. Mango tree, but no mangoes right now. My aunt said there was a bunch of lotus flower here, but she just picked it this morning, like really early, and that's why there's none here anymore. And see, she said this is where it usually is, right here. Yeah. Oh, oh. Oh, home stretch. Okay. I think it's time to go take a shower. Before we leave, my aunt said we're gonna cut down the banana flower so she can take it to the market. Got it. The sap. Don't want to get it on you. Yay. Also, I want to show you guys. Guys. Okay. See this? Oh, this is what I was talking about. You know the kind of like the stink bean you put in papaya salad. Already picked a bunch. See right here. So people will have lots of these. Whoa! See. And here, like this. See? And then she sells them by the bunch. Nice. Oh yeah. And she said there's also this vegetable thingy เรื่องใด
มันมีอีกช่อนึง
So oh, this is like this vegetable my mom likes. I don't know what this is called in English, but
สามก็เรามาซื้อมากิน
uh,
เราเห็นทอดเป็นไข่
oh,
มันหวย
here. People like to fry this with fried eggs. Ooh. Whoa. Ugh. Oh, here. Ooh, like that. I don't know how to pick this so I don't ruin it, you know? So I guess like this. เด็ดจังใดจังบ่อันนั้นให้มันขาดเด็ดเลยบ่
ก็เด็ดแล้วค่ะเด็ดมองช่อมันมองขวนมันเบิดระยะก้อย
Oh, here.
ก้อยเลยก้อย
Here. Oh, she said on the stem. Oh, you guys. Oh, shit. I stepped on something I wasn't supposed to. Okay. I think it's time to go.
ได้ยี่บอกนี้นี่เลย
He went to go get mushroom. ถึงไหนบ่ตก Oh, see. Wow, look this. Look at this, you guys. Wow, that's so pretty. Wild mushroom. Wow. See? This is what my aunt literally just yelled at me. She goes, there's so much food here at the rice field. Let me see. Put this here. Wow, she's probably gonna sell this at the market. This for, or I don't know if she's gonna take this to Grandpa because Grandpa really likes mushrooms. Look at that. So pretty. I have no idea what kind of mushroom this is, but you know what I always wonder? How do you know if the mushroom's not poisonous? Like, because it just grows everywhere, right? Like, for example, this one. If I see this out in the rice field, I would probably think that it's poisonous. Look at this one. This one is so pretty. Look at that. Wow. งามแท้เฮ็ดหยังนี่
งามค่ะ
เออ
เห็ดกอง
ามแหมเอาไปแบบแกงเฮ็ดบ่นี้นึงแม่
แม่นแกงอันนี้ใส่อันนี้ก็ได้นี่แกงใส่น้ำกัน
นี่แม่อันนี้งาม
อันนี้เห็ดแดงอันนี้เห็ดละโงก อันนี้เห็ดกอละโงกขาวมันมีละโงกขาวก็ละโงก
Actually just spotted bamboo. This one right here, this is ready to be taken out. Got it. These two. There we go. Put it right there for her. Wow. Yeah. So she said this isn't one of them, just the red one. So this. Guys, look at how many I got. Wow. Add it to this guy. Take this out. But I guess all the big ones is gone. He got all the big ones. Mosquito. ยุ่งแหละสิหามเฮา Yeah.
ที่เป็นขาวๆที่มันเผา
Pomelo for breakfast. See if they want some too. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Ooh, this is perfect for breakfast. 2 different colors. This one. They give you salt too. See if they want some. Well, you guys, my battery is officially blinking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next